welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show y'all all of the fall decor that I've been picking up for this year, and I also wanted to show you a delicious recipe for a transitional drink between summer and fall. It's a frozen hot chocolate recipe, and so stay tuned until the very end of this video to see that. But first, I'm going to go ahead and get started showing you everything that I've been picking up this year. And this is actually my first year on YouTube for the fall and winter time. So I really wanted to show y'all everything that I picked up in years past, just so you can kind of get what I'm going for. But that would take forever. So I'm just going to show you some of the items that I picked up this year and tell you the price on them. And that way, if you're interested in them, you can still go pick them up. And then in a couple weeks, my fall clean and decorate will come out and you will see what I've picked up in years past and what style I like to go for in the fall. But I will say I love the creamy whites and neutral tones for fall decor, but I like to add in lots of the oranges and yellows too. So I like to keep it pretty traditional, but with a base of the colors that you see behind me. But anyways, I'm going to start by showing you all of the pumpkins that I've been picking up. So the first one that I found is so pretty. I found it at Hobby Lobby. It's made out of this knit material. And then this stem is made out of sticks, and I thought that was so unique and adds lots of texture. And this was $21.99, but of course all of this stuff was 40% off at Hobby Lobby, so a really good deal. And then the next pumpkin I picked up was made out of tree trunk material, which I thought was really cool. And then it's got these little curly cues, so that would add lots of texture, I guess. I'm using that word a lot, but I like to add lots of texture when I'm using colors like this behind me because it can get really boring if you don't add in lots of detail. The next pumpkin that I picked up was this little white one, and I loved the long stem on this. And this was $6.99, but it was 40% off, so super, super cheap and would look really cute with either one of the pumpkins that I just showed you. I like to mix the cream and the whites. I think that's so pretty. Okay, and I picked up this cute little coffee mug from Hobby Lobby. It says, "Let's get cozy," and then the inside is that buffalo check print, and this was $10, but of course it was 40% off, so a super great deal, and I think that'll be fun to drink my coffee out of in the morning. And I also picked up another set of really pretty little mugs, and I saw somebody else get these for the fall time. I've been hearing that the copper tones are really in for this fall, so I wanted to get something, and I thought this would be the perfect thing, and I can add this into my coffee station and drink frozen hot chocolate, which we're about to make at the end of this video, out of these, or I can make like little frappuccinos and put them in here. So these are mostly for cold drinks, but I thought they were really pretty for the fall time. I picked these little towels up from TJ Maxx, and this is something I actually picked up last year, but TJ Maxx always has the cutest little hand towels, so they'll have them, I guarantee you, again this year. But these were probably like $6 or $7 for two, and I always think that the easiest way to decorate for fall or Christmas, or really any holiday, is to change out the towels in your kitchen. Really easy and really cheap way to decorate. So I thought those were so pretty. And then I couldn't do this video without mentioning my new Mrs. Meyer's fall scents. So I picked up the apple cider and the acorn spice. This one is my all-time favorite. And I got the hand soap and the dish soap, and I'm still on the lookout for the multi-surface sprays. But this one, it smells so good, and I actually bought two sets, and so you will see one of the sets going in my 500 subscriber giveaway coming very soon. I know that I'm waiting a minute to announce that giveaway, but the reason being is because a lot of the things that I ordered have not come in yet, and so I'm still waiting, but it is coming. I have not forgotten, so be on the lookout for that. I picked up this pretty little stem from Hobby Lobby, and the price tag fell off, so I'm not sure how much it was, but these are just pretty little wild flowers and easy to just pop in a vase and add a pop of color. And then I picked up these pretty little placemats. I've been wanting some for our new little white kitchen table, and they are kind of in the shape of a flower, which I was kind of like hesitant to buy them because I was like, that kind of looks like spring. But I'm going to decorate them with orange and pumpkins and hopefully make them look like fall. I love the color of them, so we're going to try to make them work. But I thought that was so pretty. TJ Maxx for $7.99. And then this is another thing. I said I wasn't going to show y'all what I picked up last year, but these are in store again this year, so I wanted to mention them. These make great fillers. They're little velvet pumpkins. They have them in white and orange, and I think they have them in other colors too, like mint green maybe, at Hobby Lobby, and they're super affordable, and they make great fillers for like little centerpieces or tablescapes, so I wanted to mention those. Another thing that I picked up this year was this pretty sign from Hobby Lobby, and it was $19.99, so 40% off of that, around $10. Can't beat that. It's pretty big. And it says Autumn Acres, Pumpkin Patch, Apple Cider, Hay Rides, and Hot Cocoa. And I thought this was so pretty. I don't really have a lot of countertops in my house, so I'm going to have to figure out where to put it. But I was thinking it would look really cute next to our Keurig or somewhere where I can decorate a coffee bar. So hopefully I will be able to find somewhere to put this. I just think it's so cute. And then I wanted to mention these really pretty little soup bowls that I picked up at TJ Maxx. These were $5 a piece, and I thought they were so pretty to eat chili out of or soup in the fall and winter time. So couldn't go without mentioning those. And then the last thing that I wanted to show y'all is this garland that I picked up from, I believe, Michael's, and it was $29.99, but I think it was 30% off. So super good deal for garland. Garland is stinking expensive, especially, I feel like Hobby Lobby prices it at like 60 bucks, and so when it's 40% off, it's still over 30 bucks, and I just don't like paying that much for garland. And I just needed a little piece to go on our little entertainment center, and I thought this was perfect because it has the traditional fall colors, but then it ties in the little cream pumpkins. So I'm excited to decorate with that. And that is all that I picked up so far this year. I want to still pick up some pillows for the couch and for our bed. And I thought it would be really pretty to put some garland like up above our bed right there. Even this would be really pretty up there. But I'm still on the lookout for some things. I'm still going to be shopping, so stay tuned for the next couple weeks. I'm going to be doing a fall clean and decorate, and I'm also going to be showing some really yummy fall treats soon. But right now, let's go ahead and head into the kitchen, and I'm going to show y'all how to make this delicious frozen hot chocolate. Okay, so in order to make this frozen hot chocolate, you need 2 cups of ice, 1 cup of milk, 2 packs of hot cocoa mix. I just got the Swiss Miss kind. You need 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, some whipped cream for the top, and then you're gonna want to put some of the Hershey's chocolate syrup drizzle on the top, and that's all you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the ice in the blender to start. Okay, now I'm just going to use this cute little Moscow Mule mug, and I just washed it, so I'm going to pour the, it's kind of like a milkshake. I'm going to pour this in. Oh, it looks so good. And then to top it off, this would actually probably make 2. To top it off, I'm just going to put in some whipped cream. And then some chocolate syrup. This is seriously so good. It tastes like a Chick-fil-A chocolate milkshake. Me and Will are gonna have breakfast for dinner tonight. We're making eggs and hash browns, bacon, biscuits and gravy. So I thought this would go perfect with that. It's a really unhealthy dinner, but you know. I hope y'all enjoyed today's fall haul. I hope you got some inspiration to go ahead and get your fall decorations out and start decorating. I always like to get them out in August and September just so that I can enjoy them longer, but let me know down in the comments below when you decorate for fall, and I will see y'all next Thursday. Bye.